Welcome to Frost and Sullivan's Growth Podcast. In each episode, we take a deeper look at transformative shifts shaping global ecosystems, from industry megatrends and technology innovation to evolving customer expectations. Today, we're exploring how sustainable and digital construction technologies are redefining the global building construction industry, unpacking where the next wave of opportunity is unfolding and what it means for future-ready businesses.
Setting the context. Why construction is at a turning point. Let's set the stage. Construction today looks very different from even a decade ago. Sustainable building mandates are rising, digital tools are becoming essential, not optional, and geopolitical headwinds are disrupting everything from material sourcing to project timelines. At the same time, rapid urban growth is increasing pressure on developers to build faster, greener, and smarter. Traditional construction models are struggling to keep up, especially those relying on manual workflows, fragmented supply chains, and carbon-intensive materials. That's why startups and solution providers are stepping in with smart building technologies that optimize resources, streamline operations, and reduce emissions. The industry is no longer just about putting concrete and steel together. It's about how intelligently and sustainably buildings are delivered.
What's driving transformation in building construction? So what's really pushing this transformation forward? Three forces stand out. First, transformative megatrends. Sustainable construction is moving into the mainstream. Green materials like recycled steel and reclaimed wood, along with energy-efficient designs, are reshaping how buildings are planned and certified. Second, geopolitical chaos. Trade disputes, regional conflicts, and political instability are disrupting supply chains and inflating material and labor costs. These pressures are forcing companies to rethink sourcing strategies and project risk management. Third, competitive intensity. Margins are tightening across the value chain. To stay profitable, construction firms must improve efficiency, reduce waste, and deliver higher quality outcomes with fewer resources. Together, these forces are redefining what it takes to compete and survive in modern construction.
Where growth is concentrating. Segments and regions. Now let's talk about where growth is actually happening. The construction industry spans multiple high-potential segments. Residential and non-residential buildings continue to expand, but growth is increasingly tied to technology adoption. Tools like drones, robotics, AI-enabled project management, building information modeling, and smart sensors are changing how sites operate, improving safety, accuracy, and cost control. End-user demand is also evolving. Real estate developers, governments, healthcare providers, data center operators, and industrial clients are all pushing for smarter, more sustainable infrastructure. Regionally, the picture varies. North America leads in technology adoption. Asia-Pacific is scaling investments in digital construction. Europe is prioritizing green building design. The Middle East and Africa are advancing smart city projects. And Latin America is expanding through urban infrastructure development. Success depends on aligning your strategy with regional maturity and local priorities.
What's slowing progress? Challenges to watch. Despite strong momentum, growth isn't without friction. Resource constraints remain a major issue. Limited material availability and skilled labor shortages are driving up costs and delaying projects. Economic volatility adds another layer of complexity. Inflation and fluctuating interest rates are slowing investment and increasing financial risk. Then there's the green cost burden. Sustainable materials and energy-efficient systems often come with higher upfront costs, making adoption harder for smaller firms. Companies that adopt digital efficiency and circular design principles will be far better positioned to overcome these barriers and protect margins.
Growth opportunities. Where to act now. So where should construction leaders focus next? One major opportunity lies in drones and robotics. Drones equipped with LiDAR and HD cameras are enabling precise surveys and real-time 3D modeling. Robotics is improving speed, safety, and material efficiency, from automated bricklaying to 3D printing. Another growth area is industry-specific facilities. Demand for data centers and smart healthcare infrastructure is surging. Construction firms that integrate renewable energy, efficient cooling, and smart design will win these projects. And finally, smart cities. Urban development is increasingly built around intelligent energy systems, green planning, and smart mobility solutions. These projects reward companies that can combine sustainability with digital intelligence at scale. The opportunity is clear, but it requires decisive action today.
Thanks for joining us on Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. For access to our research, competitive benchmarking, and best practice frameworks, head over to frost.com or email hello@frost.com. We'll be back soon with more to help you stay clear-headed and growth-ready.